Hello there, you're in my shot. You're in my shot. The people are curious about what's going on, and you're in my shot. Yeah, you're in the shot. Oh, you don't care, huh? Yeah, I figured as much. Hello there, beautiful people. Tim Lee, Legacy Studio, part of the Legacy Studio network of YouTube channels. 7 different YouTube channels with all tons of different kind of content for you to check out. I'll tell you more about that at the end of this video, but first let's talk about where I'm going to be tomorrow and where you should be tomorrow if you're in the Great Falls area or surrounding areas. Arts on Fire at the Paris Gibson Square Museum of Art. They've been doing this for 13 years. COVID didn't even stop them. These guys have been doing some really incredible things, making sure to support the community not only through Paris Gibson Square Museum, but also through their special events. And this one is a fun one, and one that they asked me to be at. Sweet. Always enjoy it when people ask me to come out to their events and draw. They have paid for all the caricatures already that I'm going to be drawing for 2 hours from 10 to 2, so 10 to 2, 12 to 2, 12 to 2, it's 12 to 2 for me anyway, 10 to 4 for them. And I want you to come on out, get drawn for free from Paris Gibson, and have a good time checking out all the different things that they have out there, because they have quite a bit. Like Okie Eats, Mountain Berry Bowls and Rebecca's and Oddfellows hot dogs, etc. Tons of good food that's going to be out there. We're Montanans, you know we're all going to be interested in food. Well, they got tons of it out there. Now, for you guys who want to get your kids interested in art, give them that way to express themselves, you got to see what these guys have that they're going to be bringing out. Pottery firing demos, silk painting, tons of music, fashion shows by Louis Still Smoking, who is one of the guys that they actually had at their museum, displaying some of his artwork at their museum. The Grasshopper String Band. They have several guided tours of the museum that you can check out, and they got some really cool exhibits going on right now, so go and check those out. And Anya's Belly Dancing. A lot of people aren't going to want to miss that one. There's going to be a lot of good stuff going on at Paris Gibson's, not to mention all the amazing different artists that will be out there. Tons of different artists, and there are so many, I'm not going to try to mention them all because it's a very long list. I will say that Great Falls High School art students will be out there with a lot of their stuff too. So support your local artists by showing up at this event, checking out everything that's going on. We're investing a lot of our time to be out there for you. You should go and check it out, and while you're at it, get a free caricature done by me. But there's only 2 hours for you to have that done from 12 to 2, so make sure that you rush on out and get in line, and then stick around and see everything else that there is during the day. All right, now, really quickly, I'm going to drop a little bit of an advertisement on you. So thank you so much for watching. Keep it crispy, my friends. First Tim 412. God bless you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow, September 14th, from 12 to 2 at Paris Gibson Square Museum of Art for Arts on Fire, 13th annual event of theirs. See you next time. I want to let you know that Legacy Studio is a network of YouTube channels that I've created over the years with over 1,500 videos of all kinds. And if you're enjoying this content, I would love to invite you to join me on some of the other content I've made on a few of my other channels. That it would be perfect for you. Now, Legacy Studio is a Christian-owned and operated YouTube network, and I've been making content here since 2010. So, this is family-friendly content for most ages.
Oh no, I'm stuck. I am so 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 stuck. I am so. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't come here.
And is striving to be a testimony in a climate full of entertainment that goes without moral thought. We try to keep it clean here, but we aren't politically correct. So please support the cause by checking out a few of the other channels here and maybe getting subscribed. Links will be in the description below.